Hey guys, welcome back to the video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable microphone on Amazon. So for that, we just need to open settings. After that, from here, you just need to scroll down. Then here is an option you can see here, apps. Click on that. And from here, you just need to select Amazon. And then here is the first section, you can see here privacy. In that section, a second option, you can see here permissions. Click on that. And then here is a first section, you can see here allowed. In that section, as an option, you can see here microphone. Click on that. And then here is the last option, you can see here don't allow. Click on that. And then you go back. You can see that it had been disabled microphone permission on Amazon. So that's all. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.